Hey, what up, what up? This your boy SI Rico. So I figured, I've been going back and forth with finding a shift knob. I know Hasport just released their shift knob. I know not too many people really know about it, but it's a pretty fresh ass shift knob. They have the little bone man with the little X in the back with the little teeth that say Hasport, which is dope. I'm not sure if it's weighted though. I wrote one of the dudes at Hasport. He wrote me back. He said it's weighted, but I don't know how much. He didn't say, like, you know, the weight or anything. But you know, I was like, hey, you know what? Just save me some money. Make my own custom shift knob myself. So what I did was, you can use. I didn't see some people, you know, some couple of videos on YouTube of people making shift knobs out of, you know, like handlebars. So I was like, you know what? I like that. I like that type of, you know, feel. But they always use, like, you know, shitty grips though, like, you know, the actual bar itself. So went in the garage, went hunting, and came across an old jack. You know, this is the part you put in the jack and you crank it up, right? See how thick this is? It's pretty thick. It's pretty damn thick. I didn't want to use handlebars because handlebars are pretty durable. It's just too light. I wanted something with some weight on it. Some actual real good weight, excuse me. So, by making your own custom shift knob, I can make it to the perfect length that I want my shift knob to be at. So, I already did the cutting. Right now, we just doing stripping of the piece. We already got the piece cut. So I gotta go online and actually order the grips that I want to use. But before we install the grip, we have to put a nut under here. I don't know if I'm gonna JB weld it or just go to a shop and just have them do 4 tacks. I know JB weld is pretty damn strong, but for banging gears, I think I'm gonna just weld it though. All right, we got pretty much all of it off. And then this is the nut, the jam nut from my other shift knob. We just gonna set in here like so. Then we just gonna weld around the top. I may just put maybe just 4 tacks. Bam, 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 bam. Or I don't know, like JB weld may hold. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna just go with the welding process instead of the JB weld. And you see how it sits in my hand, right? Perfect. Not too high. You know, 2 finger length. Fits perfect in my palm. And it's also gonna be a little bit bulkier with the grip on top and the end cap, the bar end on the top of it. So it's gonna be nice. Well, I just, you know, decided to do the epoxy route for just other reasons. Okay, so we've been waiting. Yep. That's what we've been waiting for, baby. These right here, the daily grind grips for the shift knob. Then place the bar end in. Adjust it. Make sure you get it where you want it. And my hand's ashy as fuck right now. It's actually backwards. There we go. Alright, right there. Booyah. So remove it. Now just lift the bar end up a little bit. Add a tab of glue. Just a little bit. And then press the bar end right back in. Then once that's dry, add your grip onto the shift knob. And now we can slide the grip over the shift knob like so. Make sure you get it where you want it. If it's too loose, if the grip is too loose to the diameter, you know, pipe that you're using or whatever, you know, you can just add just like a quick layer of tape. There you go. I'm gonna have to wash my grip already because my hands is dirty. Boom, that's about right. Looking pretty good though, right? Not bad for a homemade shift knob. It's pretty sweet. And it matched, you know, like the little theme of my car. Little cream, gum bottom, old school 88 thing. So let's go install this on the car. Nice. I'm liking that, baby. Oh, it feels good too. Oh yeah, I can dig that a lot. That is dope. Little stuff. But this your boy, SR Rico. Hope you guys out there staying safe, like always. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, sub, and I'm out. Peace!